log into your MetaMask like this, and this is the interface right here. We are in the home page right here, and then you can see the networks right here. On my own, you have BNB because I already selected BNB. You might see Ethereum or you might see anything, but the fact is that these are where you can see networks. So you have to click on the networks. You have to come over to customs, to custom right here, and on the custom you can see add a custom network. So you click on that. So once you click on the add a custom network, you're going to come over to this page right here, and from the information Sidra gave us right in this particular screenshot right here, the reason I said we should do it on MetaMask, you can see that they clearly said it on that particular post that we should do it on MetaMask, and it might be a little bit different from what I showed you on the OKX wallet. So now that is the reason, and then you can see that this information I'm going to be using here were both given to us by the Sidra. It's not something you are getting it from one fake place or whatever thing. So that's why I decided to make sure I give you this legit information directly from their handle. So the network name is Sidra Chain, and then this is the RPC URL link right here. So we are going to make use of it, and then we are going to make use of chain ID, symbol, and the blockchain explorer. So what you need to do is head back, and then the first thing we are going to be doing is coming over here to insert the the network name, which is the Sidra Chain. So we are done with Sidra Chain. So the next thing is the RPC URL right here, and this one was given to us as a screenshot. I'm going to leave it in the comment section or in the description section of video as a link so that you can easily copy it. So you click on add right here, you're pasting, we paste, and then you come down to the next one down. You see our URL is up, and then the SDA is down. So and then this button will be highlighted. Now if it is not highlighting for you, let's say you did like this, let's say you copy and paste might not allow. So if it is showing this invalid, so just cancel this first one and then type it back, type instead where did I get that again? Okay, this is it here. So you type it, so you see it has removed that invalid something. So let's move on. Then we write SDA, so we add it. So now click on add. Now that's when we'll be able to click on add right here. So click on that, so you can see it has entered like this. So the next one will be the chain ID right here, and we are going to go back to it, and then the chain ID is this one right here, which is 97453. 97453. The symbol will come down here and be SDA. So that's the symbol. The last one will now be to enter the blockchain explorer, which is this one right here. You also need to click on add, so we come here and then we paste it. So this, you just go ahead and click on save. So once you click on save, you are going to see that Sidra Chain has added right here. We have successfully added Sidra on our MetaMask.